good morning. Yan na ang
number 1 nga tirada
Panda Hotel, guys. Dito sa Chunwan. Yan. On the way to airport.
Yan o, kami na tita Panda Hotel.
See you there.
Anyway,
Canada
Panda
Airways.
Hotel.
Yes, guys.
Si Ann. Liwanag na.
On the way to Lantaw Airport. Yes, guys. On the way to airport. This is the Chingma Bridge.
Sini.
See you then. Ito na tayo sa airport. Yan, check-in na tayo. Yan ang luggage ko. Shout out dyan sa kapatid ko. Hello. Yes guys, so dito na tayo sa airport. Yeah, I'm looking for my gate. Yan, dito. Shout out. Hi guys, good morning. So dito na tayo sa Hong Kong International Airport. I'm going to Canada and then later on in US. So itong ating mga bagahe. Okay, so guys, nagtingin tayo ng gate ko. CX828 gate BC, gate 60. Okay, and then B or C. Bye. I'm looking for this number BC over there.
Yeah. Okay na.
Guys, yan, kuna mo rin mukha mo. Ayan, shout out sa kapatid ko kay Jeff. Thank you. Mwah, love you kasi andito lagi siya. He's always in my shoulder. Okay. Alright, 2 minutes lang yan. Close mo na. Okay, ilang kilo yan? Wow, 24.3. Okay. The other one? Wala, 24 din. Okay.
Tawi nga, labi mo. Sige na, may ka na. Turi oh. Ay.
Patayin mo kung sir. Second luggage. Okay, guys. Hey, we going na. Thank you, Lord, kasi wala na akong bitbitin. Only my hand carry is my bag and my backpack. Yung hand carry ko na Hello Kitty, nakasali na sa check-in. Wala na akong problema na bitbitin. Ay yes, pretty face na ako ngayon. Charot! It's off now. I'm going inside na, guys.
Okay lang.
Bye. See you then. Okay, Hong Kong Disneyland here in Hong Kong. Souvenir shop. Okay, I'm looking for gate 60, guys. It's a Louis Vuitton shop here in Hong Kong Airport. Okay guys, here you go. 40 to 60. So I'm looking for gate 60. And that one is the train. So I'm going down now. So a train is coming. Okay guys, bili tayo nito for neck. Kasi nakalimutan ko. Yan. Okay, let's go. Sayang oh, mahal pa naman. 400. Ayan guys. Eto na. Ito dahil long flight tayo, 15 hours. Okay guys, so ito binili ko oh, kasi sayang naman. Yan guys, oh, diba? Yan, 400 Hong Kong. Nakalimutan ko kasi sabay. Ang dami ko nito. My gosh. Kasi long flight kami. 15 hours to Toronto, yeah. Hong Kong to Toronto, 15 hours. So, kailangan ko nito para relax. Ito guys, binili ko 400 para sa leeg. Dapat iganon mo to. Oo. Yeah. 15 hours ang biyahe kaya namili ako nito. Nakalimutan ko sa bahay, ang dami. So, ito na guys, ang aming boarding. CX828 Toronto, guys. So, I'm here already in the airport, guys. So, ito, papasok na tayo, guys. Yes. Ay, two-door. I'm very light. Hindi ko makita. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. Take off na kami. See you. See you, Hong Kong. Yes guys, take off na kami. So, see you, Hong Kong. Okay. See you then. This one is full, guys. All the menus. Orders na tayo. Snacks time. Order pork stew. This is pork stew. So there you go. Pork stew. And then we have also the salad and the fruits. And the starter bread, of course, is ice cream. Oh, sorry. Okay, Haagen-Dazs. That's it, guys. Pork stew, vegetable salads, starter for the bread, and the Haagen-Dazs. Okay, that's it. We're going to Toronto. From Hong Kong to Toronto, guys. Okay, so I'm selecting for the menu and then choose for any movie. Scrolling up. Okay, so I'm choose culture. So guys, now time check is already 6:30 in the evening in Asia time, but I don't know now in the skies. So I'm here in the back seat for doing stretching. Yeah, I want to do stretching, guys, my body, because I feel tired, feeling tired, my neck, my legs, and my back. So there you go, guys. We have a few minutes to exercise, guys. Yes, stretching our body. Yeah, I'm here in the back seat, guys. There you go. So tired. So nagutom tayo, kaya nagingi tayo ng noodles. There you go, guys. Yeah, just ask the crew or the stewards, guys, and it's free. If you feel hungry, just ask any food like this, noodles or any coffee. Okay, guys, so dinner time. Meron tayo dito fried rice with shrimps and usual fruits and the gelatin, of course, my things. Guys, we arrive now here in Toronto. So this is the first class, guys. Here we pass by here now. Bye.
Here, Justin. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Pauline. Connection corresponds arrivals here. There you go. Thank you, Lord. We arrived here in Toronto. Let's go. Hey guys, so this is all we must to declare if we arrive here in Toronto. Like food, plant, and animals. Yeah, life, animals, agriculture, alcohol, or currency, weapons, cannabis. Okay. Yes guys, so dito na tayo sa Toronto. Here in Toronto Pearson International Airport. Yes guys, I'm arrived safely. Thank you, Lord. I already met my daughter. Hi! Welcome to Canada. See you there. So guys, ito na ang labas ng airport. Wala pang magkita. Hi, say hi, Natalie there. Si Cheng Salot na, okay. Young lady na talaga. She's getting more beautiful. Dito tayo ngayon sa loob ng bus, guys. This is outside now. We are here now inside in the bus. to Yan Station daw. Yan. As in Y-E-N?
Y-O-N-G.
Y-O-N-G. Okay. This is the train here in Toronto. So, ito ang lapis namin. So, very convenient. Maluwang din. Pero it's like old train here in Toronto. We are here now in Toronto, guys. So, this is all the buildings here. Oh, there is some noise. Police is coming. Charot. Okay, there you go. Nasumilong muna ako dito sa may puno. Oh, diba? Kahit paano may puno. I'm here now in Toronto. Welcome to Toronto, guys. So, there you go. Look at the buildings. This is 77 Bay, College Port. Okay. There you go. We are here na sa lobby. Oh, lobby, hindi elevator. Ayan. O, lahat salamin. There you go. Natalie. Ayan, yan.
Let's go.
Ayan. Nagluto si Natalie ng tinola. Ayan, iniinit niya. O, 4 ang burner niya. Tapos, ito yung rice cooker niya. Ayan ang cup. Ang pinggan. So, ito. Oy. Dami. Kanya mga laman. Malaki itong kitchen niya, guys. Wow, Paris. Pasok tayo. Ayan. Ang mga bagahe namin. Open ang drawer. Ayan. Vintage car niya. Oh. Tapos bed. May elepante. Ayan. Tapos veranda. Ito yung mga buildings. Okay, gaganda. Para lang din ako nasa New York daw. Hong Kong. Yan lang, guys. Pero this is Toronto. Oh. Maganda ang weather ngayon. Very warm. Okay. Bye. Okay, let's eat. Ang niluto ni Natalie is tinola. Oh, dito ako kakain sa loob ng kwarto niya para malamig na ka-aircon. Kasi doon sa kitchen. Malamig din, pero gusto kong manood ng view. Pwede na. Kaso lang, na-overcook lahat. Kulang lang siya ng luya. Ito ang view. Computer niya. Kain muna tayo. Tinolang manok. Okay, welcome to Natalie's room. Yan ang anak niya, Charot, si Elepante. Oy, ganda naman nung anyong. Ang dami mo mga vintage car. So, here is the window, guys. Ano to? Veranda. Ayun. So, there you go. My luggage. Then, there. The open cabinet niya. So, maluwang-luwang din siya. So, there you go, guys. The window. So, here in the terrace. Uy! Maglaglag tayo dito. Buti na lang nilagyan dito ng Ay, hindi. Is lang siya. String. Pwede lang putulin yan. Tapos makalabas ang tao. There you go. Kakalula. Yan ang mga building outside. Okay, hello. This is the open kitchen of Natalie. Oh, tamo naman ang kanyang kitchen. Oh. Tapos yan, exhaust fan niya, cabinet niya. Wow, laki ng fridge niya, double. Okay, so let's go to kanyang room. Okay. Ito, welcome to Natalie Rupa.
No. Privacy.
Yes,
Bawal
there
ipakita
you
ang aking
go.
room.
So, itong veranda, guys. Yan, ganda, oh. Okay, ilang minutes lang. Few minutes lang.
30 seconds.
Okay.